This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Mac OS 14. 4 or later, a signed-in Apple ID and iCloud sync enabled so data is available for on-device models. Once done, open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and toggle Apple Intelligence on. This allows system-level suggestions and generative features. Make sure to grant permissions for mail, messages, and photos when prompted. That's how the system learns context. If you prefer local-only processing, choose on-device options where offered to limit cloud usage. Now you configure how Apple Intelligence interacts with apps. You pick a preference scope, personal, work, or mixed, so suggestions fit your context. Next, enable integrations for Mail, Notes, Safari, and Messages, and explicitly grant or revoke access per app. This controls what the model can read. Then set response style, concise, balanced, or detailed, and choose data retention options to manage training. If you use templates or shortcuts, link them here to speed up routines and keep consistent results across workflows. Finish by using features in real tasks. Invoke Apple Intelligence with a keyboard shortcut, context menu, or control center widget, then prompt it to draft email replies, summarize pages, or generate images. You should always review generated drafts and edit inline before sending. This preserves your voice and accuracy. Once satisfied, accept suggestions or discard them. If something breaks, try the key troubleshooting step. Toggle Apple Intelligence off and on, restart your Mac, and verify iCloud sync. This fixes most permission and sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.